Hi, I'm Dave, and this is Jojo, who is currently not taking a nap. And this is my modest and obvious invention, the Rak-Lok. It's a stainless steel rack with an integrated U-lock holder for kryptonite locks. I spent the last several years making these in my garage for sale on Etsy, and I'm finally ready to do a production run in Taiwan. Typically, one would mount the U-lock into the bicycle's main triangle using the included mount. However, this can block the water bottle mounts and will get loose over time and flop around. Certain locks won't even fit in the frame triangle of smaller bikes. Alternatively, you can put the lock in a basket, but it'll rattle around, or you can strap it to a rack, but this takes time and will interfere with any load you want to carry. I've solved this issue by taking the lock out of the triangle with a permanent and elegant solution that doesn't interfere with cargo. I make a front porteur rack for the Kryptonite Crypto-Lock combo lock and a rear pannier rack for the Kryptonite long shackle. The front rack will also fit some ABIS 410 locks if mounted in the rear as a basket rack. My racks come with 6 struts and Daruma bolts, as well as a center diving board, as opposed to 3 mounting points found on most racks. This means they can hold 3 times as much as your average rack. I've carried upwards of 25 pounds on these racks, and they are rock solid. You can mount it using 6 struts, 4 struts and a diving board, or 2 struts and a diving board, though you will lose some carrying capacity this way. To meet my manufacturing quota, I need to sell 100 of each rack. I've had 3 prototype runs, and I'm happy with the results. My product is well developed and will go into production immediately at the end of this campaign. Please allow a couple of months for manufacturing and a few weeks for sea freight. The front porteur rack is $165 and the rear pannier rack is $180. The racks are handmade in Taiwan by a reputable manufacturer with decades of experience. Locks are sold separately. Thanks for your time. I hope you enjoy the racks. Peace and grease. Dave and Jojo.